China is opening up. It's on the next level. China is the biggest trading partner with most of the countries in the world, and China is also the main country to provide goods almost all over the world. So I think this policy benefited not only China but to the entire world.
对外开放的一个程度，中国做的是非常非常好，所以你可以看到现在在中国的这个国际影响力，很多人都看中国的电影，看中国的这个新能源，用上中国的产品。哪吒是我相信每个外国人在这里的外国人都必须去看的，因为真的哪吒他展现了中国人的拼搏。我希望这个哪吒也进中东，能进阿联酋，能进伊拉克，能进沙特。这进了以后，我相信这个票房也是有帮助的，也对这个中东去了解中国的一个好窗口。
I'm interested to know how China is going to cooperate with countries like mine, smaller nations in the Caribbean. How do they plan to strengthen economic cooperation and especially like trade? How are they going to deepen, trade in terms of technology and agriculture?